Hello, this is Japanese salaryman's vlog. It's been for a while. I posted last videos in the break for breakfast on Saturday, and that was morning, so I feel it takes a lot of time before the last time I post the videos. Yeah, it's Saturday morning. It takes for almost 3 days from last entry. So in this video, let me share my story. It just happened that 2 or 3 hours ago. I have communicated with him in the Jimoti. Jimoti is a Japanese online free market platform, so we can sell anything through the Jimoti, and we also set the price tag for everything you sell. And I was selling portable refrigerator that I used to use for my hobby, food truck. Actually, this is my first information shared with you. I work as a food truck in the food truck. This was my hobby, and I work in a Japanese car manufacturing company. And weekend I work as a man in the food truck Saturday and Sunday. And the business started from 3 years ago, and it takes for 1 year, around 1 year. I had to cancel the business due to moving from Tochigi Prefecture to Kanagawa Prefecture here. And let me introduce how food truck business was in the forward videos. So to preserve meat, so I was selling hamburger in the food truck, so I have to preserve the raw meat in this hot summer. And I just purchased a portable refrigerator to keep meat cold even in the hot summer. And yeah, so my business was cancelled, and I brought the portable refrigerator to this home. And I said portable refrigerator, but size is so big, and it was in the way to go out from home, and it was set in the entrance in my home. It's so big, and everything I put the key or something temporary on the top of portable refrigerator. It's so convenient to put something because it was set in the entrance in my home. And now I succeeded to sell that in the Jimoti, and I feel sad. The large items disappears in my entrance. And yeah, I was selling portable refrigerator at 10,000 yen. It's so big price, and but no one were interested with my portable refrigerator. But I get 32 likes. So people were interested in my portable refrigerator, but just being interested with. They couldn't. They don't want to communicate with me to negotiate the price or conditions. A portable refrigerator, or like a damage, or how that works, and how color, and there's no communications so far. But in the evening today, someone suddenly communicated with me via Jimothy, and I got a mail and from Jimothy, and the man said, "Do you have a DC cable?" A DC cable means can the portable refrigerator be charged by Seeger socket? So Seeger socket. So it's like you can charge the refrigerator, or the well, you can work the portable refrigerator by in the car. So I hope you know the Seeger socket cable. So it's like a stick, and you can insert the stick on the Seeger hole in the car, and the car provide electricity to the some things. So the refrigerator provide us the DC charging or working. So yeah, I remember the DC cable is available for the portable refrigerator, and the AC is also available. So I reply him, yeah, so I have the DC cable and the AC cable as well. And so in the few minutes, he replied to me again, and do you have a time in the late night? So we have a meeting. So we decided to meet at night. So we have appointment on 8 p.m. So I finished up my work at the 7th. So I was going back to my home to sell my portable refrigerator, and the time I go back to arrive my home, I got a mail, and he said that he arrived at my place around 8:30, but the mail says he finally arrived at my resident. So I have to be hurry to prepare the portable refrigerator, and I was bringing it, and I go down to meet him, and so I could find his car. It's an old Japanese car, a Japanese SUV, and I've never found that car in this resident. So I suspect the car is his. The car is his vehicles. So I confirm. So I text him to confirm the vehicle is the vehicle is his car, and yeah, so he said the SUV is his vehicles. So he come out from the driver seat, and yeah, the time is we firstly meet to sell the portable refrigerator. And he is a good man, and he came from Fuji City. It takes for 40 or 50 minutes by highway. And he said his friend is a hunter, and his friend hunted deer. So his friend has a lot of deer meat, and he have to preserve the meat in the safe temperatures. That's why he liked to present the portable refrigerator to his friend. And yeah, my place and his place, it's not so far. Even it takes for 40 or 50 minutes in the highway. And yeah, I successfully get the 10,000 yen from him, and yeah, so I react. So I react good. I react. No? I evaluate good reputation on him in the Jimoti. Yeah, this is my story, and I finished up. So I today I had a lot of things to do in my office, but I finished up my work due to meetings. This is my unique story today. So thank you for watching the videos. Tomorrow also, tomorrow is sorry, it's going to be busy tomorrow as well. I hope you are taking good time. Bye.